When you spend enough time browsing Amazon KDP, especially the coloring book categories, you start noticing a pattern. You'll be looking at the bestsellers list, scrolling, scanning the covers, and suddenly you stop and think, hold on, why is this one selling so well? It's simple, it's not flashy, and yet it's ranking consistently. And that's exactly why I wanted to make today's video, oddly successful coloring books you can sell on Amazon. Because some of the books that perform the best are the ones that most people overlook. And once you understand why, it opens up a completely different way of thinking about KDP. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now here's an oddly successful coloring book you can sell on Amazon. This is going to be a stained glass coloring book. So here's the interior of one of these types of pages. And this one is more of that landscape type of look. Here's another page here. As you can see, very similar. You have a border of a stained glass coloring pattern and then a landscape in the middle. And then some more of these interiors on the back cover. Now this book is called Wonderful Calm, a stained glass relaxing and calming coloring book for adults. And this one has a bestsellers rank of 32,534. And so with Titans Quick View, the estimate for the 30-day royalties is going to be anywhere from $500 to over $700 per month. We see a couple hundred copies sold per month here. And the price point is $9.99, which is what I see the most typical price point is for coloring books. Now, this has a #1 bestseller badge, which is something that every publisher wants to achieve. This one, 4.3 out of 5 rating. Notice 72% is a 5-star. So a pretty good book overall. Now this one, 50 stunning landscape designs. So only basically 50 images to color, which for publishers means only 50 coloring images to produce. Now, because they're single-sided pages, this is gonna be 103 pages overall, but this is gonna have over a $3 royalty per book. Now down the listing in the A+ content, we see some more images here of the interior, some that are colored in. So you can kind of get an idea of what the interior looks like for a top-selling book in this niche. Now, when we take a further look into this niche, the stained glass coloring book, we can see total results 1,409. So not too competitive here. And the niche score from Titans Quick View shows a 60 in the green, and the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. So everything numbers wise, at least from Titans Quick View, looks pretty good. Now going through the first page, I typically like to look for at least 3 books that are selling well, which means 3 books that have a bestsellers rank of 300,000 or below. And so this first book right here is ranked at 72,000. That's a good selling book. This one right here, 174,000. This book, 2.9 million. But we have this one right here at the end, a bestsellers rank of 55,000. And that's already 3 books, but obviously there are more books here selling well. We have our example here ranked at 32,000 with the bestseller badge. Another one bestseller right next to it. This one ranked at 107,000. And then the next 3 books all ranking very well, 165,000, 130,000, and this one is 28,000. And then just all throughout the first page are going to be books that are performing very, very well. So this is going to be a great niche to get into, and a niche that is oddly successful. Now, the next oddly successful coloring book you can sell on Amazon is called the Hygge coloring book, also known by a lot of people as Hygge. But we can see the interior here, very simple. This is the bold and easy type of coloring book, or at least this book is specifically. But as you can see, that's one example of the interior. Here's another one right here. And then some more pages of the interior on the back cover. Very cohesive type of design. Characters are maintained throughout the pages, different scenes. Now, if we take a look at the numbers on this book, this has a bestsellers rank of 44,656. So that is good for an estimated 30-day royalties of about $100 to almost $200 per month. And even though the 30-day sales here is actually pretty good, the lower royalties can be attributed to the price point here of $6.99, which basically means that this book's royalties are actually pretty low. Now this book, and typically with bold and easy type of books, are going to be comprised of about 40 illustrations and total length anywhere from 80 to 85 pages. Now this book is a square book, so it's 8.5 by 8.5 inches instead of that typical 8.5 by 11 inch size. And if we go ahead and take a deeper look at the niche, we can see total results 2,446. So a little bit more competitive here, but the average bestsellers rank, you can see just how popular these books are, 211,000. Now the niche score, even with the total results being a little bit higher, still really good at 66. And the demand, 7, opportunity is a 9. So Titans QuickView still says that this is a great niche to be in. Now, looking through some of these books, you can see bestsellers right here. Look at those rankings, 66, 6,000. Now keep in mind, these are big publishers, so it's a little bit easier for them to get the bestseller badge because they already have existing customers that are looking forward to their books. But as we scroll through the rest of here, you can see this one right here ranked at 44,000. This is the book that we were looking at. Another bestseller right here. Scrolling through the next row, we have this book ranked at 1,475. This one right here, 37,000. This one, 700,000. This one right here, 142,000. This one, 183,000, 79,000. And then this one, 112,000. So a lot of books here ranking pretty well and from all types of publishers. So definitely a great niche to get into and definitely oddly successful coloring books you can sell on Amazon. Now, here's another oddly successful coloring book you can sell on Amazon. This is going to be the Zentangle coloring book. Now, specifically with this book, it is Zentangle flowers. So the patterns are going to be flowers here. So this is the overall theme, but this is the Zentangle style. As you can see with all of the pages, all flowers, but all Zentangle themed. And if we take a closer look at this book, the BSR 94,259. So 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $100 to $200 per month, and the price point $11.95. But look at the total pages, 202 pages. So this one's gonna have 100 Zentangle illustrations, and this is the type of coloring page that you definitely could create using a generator, but it's all about finding a generator that can produce a high quality type of coloring page. Now, when we take a closer look at the Zentangle coloring book niche, we can see total results 1,036, so not too competitive here. Niche score 58. Titans Pro analysis shows demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. And looking through the books, here's an example right here, ranked at 156,000. Our example right here, ranked at 94,000. This one right here, ranked at 32,000. This one right here, ranked at 476,000. And here's another one, 380,000. And another one right here, 389,000. So definitely some oddly successful coloring books you can sell on Amazon. Now, here's another oddly successful coloring book you can sell on Amazon. This one's gonna be based off of the nostalgia type of coloring book. As you can see, the interior, here's a Rubik's Cube that can be colored in. Here's a yo-yo, and then some more of these examples on the back cover. Now, just keep in mind, if you are going to go ahead and create a coloring book for this niche, to stay away from any images that are trademarked. So that's just one thing that you need to watch out for. Other than that, this can be a great coloring book that does well on Amazon. When we take a closer look, this has a bestsellers rank of 22,209. So 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $300 to almost $600 per month. Price point $7.99. So a little bit lower on the royalties here. 50 large, simple designs. So totaling 104 pages, that square look, so 8.5 by 8.5 inches. And notice some of these probably have trademarks. So like I said, just keep that in mind and stay away from things that are trademarked. Now, taking a deeper look into this niche, we see total results 934, so below that 1,000 mark that I look for. So this is gonna be a great niche to get into, not too competitive here. You're gonna have a great chance at getting your book seen, even without using KDP ads. Now, the niche score is a 51. Titans Pro analysis says demand is a 7 and the opportunity is a 9. And looking through these books, You have one right here, a different theme and a different era. This is going to be 2000s coloring book, Nostalgia Babe. Bestsellers rank 150,000. The book that we looked at is a 90s nostalgia coloring book, ranked at 22,000. This one right here is also 90s themed, 82,000. And then this one is an 80s theme from the same publisher as this purple book right here, ranked at 205,000. More 90s themes right here, 90s themes, bold and easy type, 153,000. But a lot of them are selling very, very well. So these are definitely oddly successful coloring books you can sell on Amazon. Now here's another oddly successful coloring book you can sell on Amazon. This one's going to be called the Mushroom Coloring Book. Now this one specifically is Mushroom and Forest Friends, but as you can see, here are the mushrooms, and then if we look at the back cover, some more images of mushrooms. Definitely can be created using AI. This is something that AI can do pretty well, is actually mushrooms. And if we take a deeper look at this book, the bestsellers rank 50,609. So that is good for an estimated 30-day royalties of anywhere from $300 to over $450 per month. Now this book is priced at $9.99, only 86 pages. So if we look at this, 40 designs overall, not a very thick book, but it has pretty good ratings, 4.7 out of 5. 84% is a 5-star with no 1 or 2 stars. So definitely a book that resonates with its buyers, even though when I look at the book, the cover is actually not that great. Definitely looks like it was produced by AI, but obviously the customers like this book and they're not complaining, so there's no problem with that. And if you actually check out this BSR graph, you can see around a couple months ago, it's kind of selling here and there and here and there. And then all of a sudden it just starts to sell. And look at this line right here. It's kind of just maintaining that. And if I go all time to see the all-time sales, you can see it has a pattern. During Q4, it tends to do well, and then it stops selling. And then Q4 comes again and it starts to sell well again. So I would say this is a seasonal type of book, and people really buy this probably more so for gifts and presents rather than for themselves. Now, when we take a deeper look at this niche, we can see total results 1,498. Not too competitive here. Niche score 62. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7 and opportunity is a 9. And we see average bestsellers rank below 300,000 on the first page. So everything looks good with the numbers. Now, looking through the first row, we're going to see these first books right here all selling very well. 33,000. This one is 27,000. This mushroom coloring book, 85,000. And this one, Magical Mushrooms, 65,000. Going next row, 50,000. This one, 167,000, 118,000, 480,000. You have the bold and easy type of mushroom coloring book, 300,000, 278,000. The adorable creepy mushroom coloring book, 169,000. Stress relief type, 468. So a lot of different ways that you could build this book. The creepy mushrooms, 107,000. Mystic mushrooms, which this one is colorful mushroom houses, 132,000. So there's a lot of ways you can make this type of book. You can make multiple mushroom types of coloring books. So definitely an oddly successful coloring book that you can sell on Amazon. And that's the fascinating thing about these oddly successful coloring books. They don't follow the trends. They don't try to outcompete the big niches. All they do is quietly pull in sales month after month. So if you're sitting there thinking, I've been overcomplicating this, well, you're probably right. Sometimes the best opportunities on KDP aren't loud, they're subtle. Now, if you haven't checked out my KDP royalty roadmap, it's completely free and it'll walk you through the exact steps I teach beginners to get their first and low medium content book published on Amazon the right way without wasting time or getting overwhelmed. You can download it using the link in the description down below. And if this video helped you see what's possible, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.